Morning. Welcome to Skyline Challenge, a thrilling arcade-style game where we skillfully control a paddle to keep a bouncing ball in play while navigating vibrant skyline filled with interactive consoles. This is developed in Unity. These are the hierarchy window. The objects are displayed, created in hierarchy window. The corresponding inspector window shows the characteristics or properties. This is the runner is the main object, then position is set, rotation, also scale is set here. Other properties for like game script, main script is attached here. Then game is a runner, then score text is attached, tracking cameras properly attached, and rigid body transformation also tracking cameras. Script is attached here. And this is the asset window, project window. There are 7 C# files used in here. And let us see how it is running, built and run. These are objects are moving, and while hitting it increases the score like this. The score is increasing. When pressing the Q button, it gets the game. Other than this, I developed one fractal movement. Let's see how it is running. This one. Here we used quaternions, so many transformations are here created a dynamic and initially complex fractal structure here. So thank you.